and welcome along everyone. Today we're going to be taking a look at this. Let's just get it. Yeah, it's the V-TUF Pressure washer. Let's take a look what's inside the box, shall we? So, what have we got? Well, let's pull them out, shall we? We'll get some pieces out. Interesting, very interesting. And we have a jet sprayer of sorts. Got the handle of the machine, the binder, and we have a hose. It's like a nice long one. And what else we got? This is obviously the foaming bottle. That's good when you want to use to do your car. A very important instruction manual. Oh yes, very. And I think we'll pull the thing out. Bang, there we go. And there it is. The V-TUF. Looks pretty good. The bang was the nozzle just coming out of the box, hitting the floor, got caught in the way out. That's alright, it's quite safe. It's got all different spray nozzles attached on there, as you do tend to find you get these days, okay? That's good. There you see then everything laid out of the box on the floor for you. So a little look at the side of the box tells you all the specifications really. You've got an integral chemical tank there, extending handle, total stop system, turbo nozzle, and has a good working pressure of 90 bar, which is really quite good. So here we got it all set up for you. It's pretty easy. The handle just sort of kind of slots in the back and the hoses go on. You can see it's a pretty simple arrangement. You drop in there, your jets, your main firing gun. They're all pretty slot in pretty easy. Get it right out. Okay, what we got here then, the inlet and outlets. This one is the outlet, okay. So this is for the gun and the hose, okay, and this is the hose for that. The back of that, we've got the input. Now, there it is there. Now you get proper connections to fit on so that you can put your hose pipe on onto there. There are standard connections, and also in there is a filter. You can see it there. Okay, so make sure that's kept clean every time after you've used it. And that's it really, there's no problem. We've got a detergent bottle here. Okay, good if you want to do the car. I'm going to put a detergent on first. Goes on the end of the rod. So really that's all there is kind of to it really. It's all ready to go, and the only thing I want to show you before we start doing our get the old pressure on is just show you the nozzles. Very important, what they all do. And just one very last thing, yeah, I will start spraying soon, don't we, is at the back of the V-TUF booklet is this little device. Okay, it's a little thing, a point. It's for cleaning the nozzles, okay, in case you was wondering how you were going to clean them up to get blocked up. It's supplied. So let's get to it now then, shall we? Showing the nozzles then. First one. Wham! Let's get on to the second one. The black one. Ooh, that's a gentle one.
Oh wait, watch it, you're getting me.
And that's how you shoot them out at the end. And the green one.
Watch it.
White one. Love it. Gonna jet off the car then with the yellow one, I think. Not too strong. It's fun, isn't it? Trying the green one now. There we go, under the arches here. Have a crack at these steps now, they're a bit grimy. So we go.
like join the dots, isn't it? It's
Yeah.
great. I want to have a go. Great fun.
I knew you couldn't resist having a go. I hope we can afford the water bill for all this lot.
Hey! Ha-ha!
There you go then, that's about it. An absolutely terrific pressure washer. Really does the job, doesn't it? And yeah, it's a case of, it's a great tool. Thanks a lot for watching everyone. Catch you next time. Bye bye.